Hello, everybody, and welcome to today's cryptocurrency analysis on the channel Crypto University. It's your boy Ken here again, and today we'll be looking at one of our favorite coin, which is Quant QNT. And like I was saying yesterday, right, concerning I said this was, as you can see, the date October 12th. That was yesterday. Warning Quant QNT price analysis, and I began to warn people saying that we are overbought on many of the time frames, and there's high probability that we are going to probably retrace, right? And we're around here yesterday, we're around the 154 region, 158 region. I was telling everybody this is the period to short. This is the period to short. Take your profits. Make sure you take your profits. And everybody seemed like, oh, I just saw the comments, and everybody was saying, yeah, I don't know what I'm doing, blah, 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 blah. But as you can see, the market is dumping, and I gave you a lot of analysis as to where I see the markets going. And I'll tell you where I see the markets going, or where I see the price of quant going, our price targets, and when next to begin to buy in. I believe that some of you that took my advice yesterday have already taken your profit. And if you did not take your profit, you put your stop loss in profit, and probably it has been triggered, and then you are in profit. And I told everybody sell out up here, right? That probably for first, probably we should see us go around probably the one, probably we could come even as low as the 114 region, and that's the period we will be buying back. And I'll just give you proper price targets for where I believe the price of quant is going. And first, our first resistance will be the 137 mark, right? The 137, right? I expect here to be a bounce at the 137 mark, right? Probably. So watch out for this, right? We're going to be looking at the price of quant every single day. And if we break the 137 support, expect the next support at the 114. As I told you, everything on our indicators were telling us we are overbought. We are overbought. The indicators do not have emotions, right? They tell you what is saying, they tell you how the chart is saying. And everything on our chart was telling us we're overbought. When we are at the 150 yesterday, I was telling everybody, like I was saying, warning, warning, warning. Warning, we are overbought. Begin to take profit. If you had watched the video yesterday, Crypto University, right? And if you've not subscribed to the video, make sure you click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, right? And make sure you like the videos. Make sure you share them with your friends. As we will be dealing and analyzing a lot of alphas, quant one of them. So as we we're saying, next price or our next support is the 137 mark, and then next support is the 114 or 114 mark. So please take note of this price targets. These are price targets. They are clear, right? As you can see, a lot of support at the 114 mark. So that is where we will consider buying. At 137, we'll be looking at it to see if we hold the support at the 137. Probably do not hold the support, right? I'm leaning more back to the 114 mark where we hold support, and then we continue pushing back upwards. So I trust that many of you have taken your profit, or you put your stop loss, and when your stop loss was triggered, right? If we go back to the other chart, as we can see, everything confirming to us from the weekly. And I told you here that we're already overbought, and we're overbought, and probably we needed to correct probably first to about maybe probably on this chart around maybe the 128 region, and then probably the next support, which is around the 109 to 110 region, as I said on the other chart. And I said if you look at our stochastic has every single time told us the top and where to get out of quant, and it was flashing yesterday whether we're at the peak or top of the quant, and it was telling us to quickly sell out. As you could see, there's some little bearish divergence both on the MACD, the stochastic, another bearish divergence here, and you can see the RSI saying the same thing. The same thing was telling us on our 3 days time frame that we're very, 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 very overbought on the quant chart and we needed to correct a little bit. As you can see, the stochastic needed to correct down a little bit. Same thing with our RSI. Our RSI was very overbought. Same thing with our MACD, everything was flashing that we needed some little cooling down. For quant, we needed to correct a little bit. And so I've just told you our price targets of what we're expecting quant to be. First, we expect quant to come around the 127 to 130 region. And if that support holds, then we have upward price action. But if it doesn't hold, then we have more downward price action, probably to around the 119, 114 region. As I said, as you can see, the stochastic is very oversold. So probably we're still expecting more downsides. Now price is around 144, but we're still expecting more downsides. If you're in profit, it's important that you take profit, as we were saying yesterday. More downside both on the stochastic, both on the relative strength, and both on the MACD. Same thing on the daily, as you can see. Our daily was telling us that RSI was very, very, very overbought. Our stochastic also was very overbought. And same with our MACD. And the MACD, as you can see, every single point in time where we had the MACD cross, we had a very huge dump. Every single time, as you can see, we're already about to have a MACD cross on the daily. So I'm expecting price to move to about the 137 range, as I've always been saying. So please, if you've not taken profit, take profit, because probably we'll still have more downsides to go for our favorite coin, Quant. And if you know you've not subscribed to the channel, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, click on the like button, share with your friends. Thank you and have a great day.